In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multiple services using Acuity scheduling. So let's get started. To begin, open your browser and make your way to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your point of entry into managing all your appointments efficiently. Once on the site, the first step is to log into your account. This will bring you to the main dashboard, a convenient central hub from where you can effortlessly oversee every aspect of your scheduling. As you gear up to book an appointment, pay special attention to the Calendar tab. Clicking on it brings up a full monthly view of your appointments. It's designed to be user-friendly and to provide you with a quick look at your entire schedule, offering the convenience of seeing what lies ahead at a glance. When you're ready to set up a new booking, you have two options. You can either click straight on the desired date, or for greater flexibility, you can opt for the Create button located at the top right corner of the screen. From the resulting menu, select Appointment Booking. Entering the appointment setup, you'll have the opportunity to customize the details to meet your specific needs. Begin by choosing the service type that accurately reflects what you're offering or arranging. Next, select a time that suits both you and your client. There's also a space dedicated to notes. These notes serve as a valuable tool for sharing essential information with your client regarding their appointment. This feature proves to be particularly useful for highlighting particular instructions or details they should be aware of beforehand. Remember, Acuity will prompt you to enter the details of your client. This is a crucial step to ensure everything runs seamlessly, so take a moment to review this information and confirm its accuracy before moving on. With all your details set and verified, it's time to finalize your booking by clicking on Schedule Appointment. Once you do this, Acuity takes over, efficiently sending a confirmation email to your client. This automatic handling of communications adds a level of professionalism and ease, eliminating worries about manual follow-up. If your objective is to book multiple services, rest assured that the process remains straightforward and just as manageable. Simply repeat these exact steps for each additional service you wish to schedule. Thanks to Acuity's thoughtful design, managing multiple appointments is made simple, sparing you from unnecessary stress and potential confusion. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more updates. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future tutorials just like this one.